Today, I'm going to be talking about Neon, a new streaming service that has been getting a lot of attention lately. In this video, I'm going to answer the question that everyone is asking: does Neon have free trials? Before I get into that, though, I want to give you a quick overview of what Neon is. Neon is a streaming service that offers a variety of content, including movies, TV shows, and documentaries. It's similar to other streaming services like Netflix and Hulu, but it has a few key differences. One of the biggest differences is that Neon is ad-free. This means that you won't have to watch any commercials while you're streaming your favorite shows. Another big difference is that Neon offers a variety of subscription plans, so you can choose the one that's right for you. Now, let's get to the question that everyone is asking: does Neon have free trials? Unfortunately, Neon does not offer free trials at this time. However, you can still try out the service for free by taking advantage of their 7-day free trial. To sign up for the 7-day free trial, you'll need to create an account on the Neon website. Once you've created an account, you can start streaming your favorite shows and movies right away. After your 7-day free trial is over, you'll be charged for a monthly subscription. But if you're not happy with the service, you can cancel your subscription at any time. So, does Neon have free trials? Unfortunately, not at this time. However, you can still try out the service for free by taking advantage of their 7-day free trial. With that said, thank you for watching.